Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I want to do a follow-up on those two wind-up locomotives that arrived yesterday. It's the Marx 898, or whatever the wind-up version was called. Basically identical to an 898, but completely different front of the locomotive itself. So the 898 wind-up and the Commodore Vanderbilt wind-up. So I've removed both of the wind-up motors, as you see, and I've installed electric motors in both the Commodore Vanderbilt and the 898. Now I just got this one assembled. This takes a standard front crossbar, so any Marx motor will fit. This is a double reduction 490 motor, as you see. I just pulled out the electric motor, pulled out the wind-up, dropped in the electric, and this is the result. Now it has no headlight, no provision for a headlight, no lens, no markers, nothing. A really, really plain boiler, but as you see, that motor fits perfectly. It's a simple swap. Take out the two screws, pull out the wind-up motor, drop in the electric, and put the screws back in it. That's a standard Marx 490 motor, double reduction motor. Runs forward and reverse, of course. Now, I put a rebuilt motor in the Commodore Vanderbilt. This has a bypass E unit. It only runs forward. And of course, it takes a special crossbar to fit the Commodore Vanderbilt. But even so, it's up and running with an electric motor in it, as you see. Runs well. Really simple to convert these to electric. If you have the front crossbar, now the Commodore Vanderbilt and the 994 use the same front crossbar. This one, on the other hand, used a standard crossbar, so any Marx motor would fit it. Anyway, as you see, it's up and running with no problem at all. So a simple conversion from wind-up to electric, it only takes a minute. Two screws, drop in the new motor, and you're up and running. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It's simple. In fact, the very first Commodore Vanderbilt I ever bought was a wind-up, so I could convert it to an electric motor. As you see, they're both running perfectly, no problems at all. So, in any case, I just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.